Welcome to today's vlog. I don't really know what it will consist of, but I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I'm so sorry that it went up late, but you know, at least it went up. I'm going to be filming some videos tonight for you guys, so stay tuned for those. Dwight is out of town again this weekend as per usual. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say good morning, and that's really it. I am going to try to remember to vlog at least one little bit at work today so you guys can kind of see. It's been a while since I've done like a work vlog or anything, so I'm going to do that, and I don't know what else we're going to do today. So last night I did a bunch of work. I have a whole box of shirts to deliver, or at least have available to pick up. So yeah, let's just get the day started. It's 8 o'clock, so I'm on time today. Normally I'm running late, but yes, I went to bed early last night so that I could get up early, and hopefully it's going to be a good weekend. I am needing to get a lot of stuff at home done, so we'll see if this turns into a cleaning vlog or something. I'm also charging my vlog camera battery so that I can start using it again, because I run my phone battery down way too quick using this.
Get her, Theo. Get her. Get him, Coco.
Hey guys, so I wanted to vlog really quick because I probably won't like vlog me talking in the next few clips, but I am doing something really exciting and I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm going to one of my friend's house, and I'm going to see something, and yeah. Good morning, guys. So as you saw, we just went and ate Mexican. The dogs are playing, and yeah, it is Sunday. I'm gonna combine yesterday and today's vlog for today, and yeah, let's see what the pups are doing.
You got the toy? You got some toy? Yeah. Let me see. Let me see that toy. Let me see that toy. Oh, Miller.
Can you hear me now?
Hey guys, sorry for like the weird lighting, but I'm working on getting our Christmas cards mailed out, so I was gonna show them to you. This is what they look like. It's just the pictures that we took a few weekends ago, and then it just says "Have a Merry Christmas" from the Terwilliger family. I think they're really cute. Obviously not the pictures that I had originally planned, but that's okay. I do love how these pictures turned out. So yeah, I'm just hanging out on the couch. I'm fixing to try to talk Dwight into filming this video with me. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully he'll do it. But yeah, it's just a lazy Sunday. I have a lot of laundry to do, and a lot of preparation for like Christmas and stuff like that. This next weekend is Christmas with both of my parents' side of the families. and my brother's graduation, so we have a lot to do, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that stuff all day, so I may or may not show you all of it. Some of it is Christmas presents, so I won't show you everything, but I will show you what I can. So yeah, that's basically it. For now, I'm just hanging out with the dogs, and hopefully we're about to film a video if I can talk him into it, so yeah. Also, I know that it looks like I'm in the same thing I was in last night, which I am. However, it was really late last night when I went to see the puppies, which I will talk about in another video, but yeah, I literally just threw this on to run over there really quick, so that's why I'm just wearing it again today. But we did get our Christmas tree up. Oh, Bella. All I had up was like this little one and a few Christmas decorations, so I'll show you like our little Christmas decoration tour of what we have out. It's kind of a mess right now, but that's okay. I will show you. I didn't film it because it was a very last minute decision to get a tree and put it up, and then my phone was dead, so it was just kind of, we either do it now or we probably won't do it at all. And so yeah, my mom got us a tree, so shout out to Mom, thank you so much. I wasn't gonna do a tree this year, but she insisted that we go get one, so we went and got one and we put it up. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the Christmas decorations. This is like our little stocking area, excuse like the laundry in the background. This one has 2 on it for the 2 dogs that we're going to be watching through Christmas, and then these 2 are for Miller and Bella, and then this one is mine, and then Dwight's is over there. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then I just have this little tree, and then this little Merry Christmas thing. And then I have this wreath on this door, and then up here I just have this Merry Christmas banner that Dwight's mom gave me. And then down here, just our little deer in our thing, which I have not updated and changed yet. And then over here, I just have this little reindeer thing, and this little reindeer that I haven't hung up yet because I don't really know where to put it. Just excuse, we had our record player out while we were putting the tree up. And then over here is our tree, which I love. And then on this table we have some more little Christmas things, and then Dwight's stocking is there. And I just put it there because I need to get another thing, but I haven't yet, so that's just where it's gonna stay. And then I need to fix this from where the dogs have been playing. And so then just our little thing, and then this is their toy basket, which I have down here because I will put their toys in it on Christmas morning for them to open and play with. Also, don't know if you remember the penguin that was supposed to be for one of the little kids that I was going to make with his name on it, and she insisted on taking it, and I tried to hide it from her, but she ended up finding it when I wasn't looking, so I just gave it to her because obviously she really likes it. You want him to play with you? Hi. I'm not tugging. Give it to me. Let me throw it. No? Okay. You're not making this easy. No, you're not. But she loves it, so we'll just let her have it. Alrighty guys, so I'm about to start working on some shirts that I need to get done. Hold on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Mod Podge of yesterday and today. Dwight did leave to go duck hunting for tomorrow. Because we have a busy weekend next weekend, which I will definitely vlog for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk about the puppies in another video. I haven't forgotten about that, but that will be coming in another video. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any other video requests, leave them down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.